driving a tuk-tuk around Cambodia. It's just beautiful and freedom driving your own tuk-tuk. We're not just a renting company. We are a social business. We want to make an impact on the community. We want to make an impact on the travelers, helping the country as well. We rent a tuk-tuk from the local, give them a currency income every month. We help the family to decrease their poverty.
Tuktuk good.
We maintain, take care of a tuk-tuk, and we rent it to the travelers to drive around Cambodia. We allow them to have freedom to drive their own tuk-tuk, to get to the adventure, no limited. They can go to the countryside, interact with the local. They get freedom, yeah. We want you to be welcome to the country and share the beauty of Cambodia.